It's not too often I get to get two different views on my riding. We got the ATC250R out, the OG, had this thing a long time. This was at one of the first motocross races that we had with the syndicate. This thing's been a monster trike, had a lot of fun with it, done all kinds of modifications with it. Recently, it's had a battle with throwing the chain. So we get a couple of laps in here, not even really. Get a little bit of motocross action in before she decides she don't want to play no more. Really appreciate the views, really appreciate the watch time. This channel's been kind of growing quickly. Really like it. We've got a lot of videos on the channel. If you want to flip on through and check out, we got different playlists. Dade City motocross races, backtrack rides. We've got mechanical and fab work, all kinds of stuff. We've also got a music channel, The Mad Scientist Musician. That's been blowing up. We've been doing a bunch of different kinds of music reactions on that channel. People seem to be liking it. Let me know down in the comments. You want more ride videos? I'll get this thing back up and running. We'll see if we can get more laps in. Really excited about this thing ripping around again. Really like riding this trike. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, that KX450 is really cool too, but this 250R, I've had this thing a long time and it's a big passion with this thing. Whoops.